Hi everyone, I'm Jodi Barrows with the Square in a Square technique, and I have some beautiful quilts to show you today, and they all tell a story. But before I get into that, I want to tell you a little bit about the Square in a Square system. The Square in a Square system started over 40 years ago. We started out with one tool, and that one tool that we made 40 years ago still is the one tool that we use to cut all of the different options of the Square in a Square system. And you may say, if you're brand new to us, what is the Square in a Square system? Well, the Square in a Square system is a very easy method of putting squares and strips together to create beautiful triangle units that create all of these quilts that you're going to see today. And within the last couple of years, we've added lots and lots and lots of new options, new triangle units. The one tool still cuts and does all the work for you in those units. We are now over 50 options. We have a lot of different ways that you can learn the system. We have a teaching website called squareinasquare.net, and in the teaching website you can go in and watch free webinars and classes and lectures. You can join our quilt club, which is an event that is scattered out throughout the whole year, or you can join our premium club for the hardcore quilters that want stuff all year long. We have that program broke up into semesters, just like school. We have fall and summer, and then all of the quilt club activities scattered out throughout the year.